A GM mechanic leaked this last week and got fired the next day. What he revealed about the 2014-2019 Silverado transmission will change everything you thought about these trucks. And if you own one, pay close attention. Look, for years, everyone talked trash about these transmissions. Oh, the 8-speed is problematic. Better get the old 6-speed. You've heard this, right? Well, what if I told you that was a lie? Or better, a half-truth that hid something much bigger. Subscribe to the channel, because in the next 5 minutes, you're going to discover a truth that could make your Silverado worth thousands more, or save you from a $30,000 mistake. Let's go.
Here's what nobody tells you. It's not all 2014-2019 transmissions that have problems. It's just a specific period. And know what's crazier? The good ones are better than the old 6 speeds. A GM engineer who worked on the project told me off the record, the 8L90 transmission is the best we've ever made. But there was a specific batch that came out with a defective part from the supplier. Want to know which batch? Silverados produced between March 2015 and August 2017. Only that period. Outside of that, transmission is practically indestructible. And here's the problem. Nobody separates this. People say, oh, 2015 to 2017 have problems and throw everything in the same bag. But a January 2015 doesn't have the defect. A December 2017 doesn't either. How to know? Check the production digits in the VIN. I'll leave a link in the description showing exactly how to verify this.
Second revelation, if you have a 2014 or a 2018-2019 Silverado with the 8-speed, congratulations, you made the smartest purchase of your life. Mechanics are starting to see something incredible. These transmissions are hitting 250,000 miles with no problems. Zero. Not even fluid changes sometimes. A mechanic in Houston told me, man, I have an 18 with 280,000 miles. It's my daily driver. This transmission is so good I forgot it exists. Never had a single jerk. And check out this absurdity. These Silverados were undervalued because of the transmission's bad reputation. People selling cheap out of fear. But now that the truth is coming out, value started climbing. A 2018 that cost 28 grand 6 months ago, today is 34 grand. And it'll keep rising because people are finally discovering they were fooled.
Third revelation, and this one's heavy. GM knew about the problem and fixed it silently. In 2017, they switched the supplier of the problematic part. Didn't do a recall, didn't warn anyone, just fixed it and let the bad reputation continue because it was cheaper than admitting it publicly. Result? Thousands of people sold good Silverados thinking they had a ticking time bomb, and smart investors bought everything for pennies on the dollar. I know a guy who bought 6 Silverado 2018s last year, paid average of 26 grand each. Today, each one's worth 35 grand. He made $54,000 in 1 year doing nothing, just knowing the truth. And know what's crazier? Dealerships know this. That's why when you go to trade in a 2018, they offer you little. But when you go to buy a used one from them, they charge high. They know the real value.
Fourth revelation. How to identify if your Silverado is one of the good ones. First, year. If it's 2014 or 2018-2019, you're safe. If it's 2015 to 2017, check the production date in the VIN. Second, simple test. Start the truck, put it in drive, accelerate to 60 miles per hour. Are the shifts smooth? Silent? No jerks? You have a good unit. Simple as that. Third, history. If the transmission already ran 100,000 miles without problems, you're good. The ones that had defects normally showed problems before that. And here's the part that's going to change your game. If you're looking to buy a 2014 to 2019 Silverado, this is your opportunity. There are still people selling cheap out of fear, but it won't last. A used car dealer told me yesterday the 2018s disappeared from the market in 3 months. Last year, I had 15. Today, I have 0. Everyone woke up.
So let me sum up what mechanics revealed. The problem was specific to a production period. Transmissions outside that period are excellent. GM fixed it silently and let the bad reputation roll. Smart investors already bought all the good ones. Values are exploding now that the truth is out. If you have a 2014 or 2018 to 2019, relax. You have gold. Don't sell cheap. Don't believe those who talk trash. If you're looking to buy, now is the time. before everyone discovers this and prices double. And if you have a 2015 to 2017, check the production date. You might have one of the good ones and not even know it.
What year do you have? Did you already know this truth? Comment below. And leave a like, because this information is worth gold. Next week, what dealerships never tell you during trade-ins. See you then.